Hey everyone, welcome back to GrtFitWithR, your go-to for health and wellness tips. Today, I'm excited to share 3 delicious snack recipes that not only taste amazing, but also offer incredible benefits for your skin, overall well-being, and support your weight loss journey. Let's start with Quinoa Salad Jars, featuring a nutritious blend of quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and fresh herbs. Quinoa is a complete protein that supports collagen synthesis, essential for firm and radiant skin. To make it, layer the bottom of a jar with a zesty dressing. Then add cooked quinoa followed by layers of cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, bell peppers, and fresh herbs. Repeat until the jar is full. These salad jars are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing sustained energy and promoting healthy digestion, key for weight management. Next up, indulge guilt-free in sweet potato chips, thinly sliced and baked with olive oil and spices. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin for skin cell regeneration and immune support. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Toss sweet potato slices with olive oil, sea salt, black pepper, and optional spices. Then arrange them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until crispy, flipping halfway through. Lastly, rejuvenate with a berry spinach smoothie, blending spinach, mixed berries, chia seeds, and almond milk or yogurt. Berries are packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, while spinach provides vitamins and minerals for skin repair and renewal. Blend until smooth and creamy, adding ice cubes for a refreshing chill if desired. This smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients, supporting skin health, reducing inflammation, and boosting overall vitality, essential components for a balanced weight loss journey. These snacks aren't just tasty. They nourish your body inside out. Which will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more healthy recipes and wellness tips. Stay tuned for our next video, and keep glowing with health.